you ever wondered what makes the snow leopard one of the most elusive creatures in the wild? Snow leopards are among the most mysterious and awe-inspiring creatures of the high mountain ranges of Central Asia. With their beautifully spotted coats, piercing eyes, and unmatched agility, these cats are an icon of the rugged landscapes they call home. But behind their beauty lies a fascinating history that stretches back millions of years, shaped by harsh environments, evolutionary adaptations, and human impact. The history of the snow leopard is not just one of survival. It's a story of a creature uniquely suited to thrive in some of the planet's most inhospitable places. Snow leopards, Panthera uncea, belong to the same genus as lions, tigers, and jaguars, but they have evolved separately over millions of years. The snow leopard's ancestors are believed to have first emerged between 2 to 3 million years ago, during the Pleistocene epoch. Fossil evidence suggests that early snow leopards shared many traits with other large cats, but the species gradually adapted to the extreme conditions of the high-altitude mountains of Central Asia. The snow leopard's evolutionary split from its closest relatives, the tiger and the lion, likely resulted from the geographic isolation caused by the rising Tibetan Plateau. These adaptations allowed snow leopards to carve out their niche in some of the world's harshest and most remote environments, including the Himalayas, Tian Shan, and the mountain ranges of Mongolia. One of the snow leopard's most iconic features is its thick fur. Unlike many other big cats, the snow leopard has a dense coat that provides excellent insulation against freezing temperatures, which can drop as low as -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit. In the winter months, its fur is patterned with smoky gray rosettes, which help camouflage the snow leopard against the rocky and snowy backdrop of its mountainous habitat. In addition to its beautiful coat, snow leopards also possess an extra long tail, which can reach up to 36 inches. This tail is essential for balance when navigating the steep, rocky slopes of the mountains, and it also helps the cat regulate its body temperature by wrapping it around itself in harsh weather. Another incredible adaptation is the snow leopard's large paws, which act like snowshoes. These wide paws help distribute the animal's weight across the snow and prevent it from sinking into deep snow, allowing it to stalk its prey silently across the frozen landscapes. The snow leopard's powerful hind legs are built for agility, enabling it to leap as far as 50 feet in a single bound, a remarkable feat that helps it catch prey or escape danger on the treacherous slopes. Snow leopards are apex predators, and their diet reflects their role in the ecosystem. They primarily hunt mountain ungulates, such as blue sheep, parral, wild goats, including marmots, hares, and even domestic livestock in some cases. Snow leopards rely heavily on their stealth and patience to hunt. They typically stalk their prey from a distance, using the terrain for cover before launching a powerful attack. Despite their size and strength, snow leopards don't engage in prolonged chases. Instead, they rely on ambush tactics and short bursts of speed to take down their prey. After a successful hunt, they drag their kill to a secluded spot to feed in peace, using their keen sense of smell to help locate potential meals. As apex predators, snow leopards play a critical role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. By controlling the populations of grazing animals, such as wild sheep and goats, they help preserve the balance between vegetation and herbivore populations. This, in turn, prevents overgrazing and helps sustain the plant life that is crucial for the overall health of the mountainous ecosystems they inhabit. Furthermore, snow leopards act as indicators of ecosystem health. A thriving snow leopard population usually indicates a healthy habitat with abundant prey and intact territories. On the other hand, a decline in snow leopard populations often signals problems such as habitat loss, prey depletion, and human-wildlife conflict. Despite their adaptations and role as apex predators, snow leopards face significant threats to their survival. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As human populations expand, the forests and grasslands that snow leopards depend on are increasingly being encroached upon for agriculture, mining, and infrastructure development. This shrinking habitat reduces their hunting grounds and forces them into closer proximity with human settlements, where conflict is inevitable. Another major threat is poaching. Snow leopards are often poached for their fur, bones, and body parts, which are coveted in the illegal wildlife trade. The demand for their body parts in traditional medicine has also led to widespread poaching across their range. In addition, snow leopards are often targeted by livestock owners who view them as a threat to their herds, leading to retaliatory killings. Recognizing the plight of the snow leopard, several organizations and governments are working tirelessly to conserve this iconic species. The Snow Leopard Trust, founded in 1981, is one of the leading conservation organizations dedicated to protecting snow leopards and their habitats. Their initiatives focus on community-based conservation, education, and anti-poaching efforts, alongside extensive field research to monitor snow leopard populations. Conservation efforts also include community engagement, providing financial incentives to local people to protect snow leopards and their prey species. Programs like livestock insurance help reduce conflicts between humans and snow leopards, ensuring that people's livelihoods are protected while also safeguarding the endangered cats. As snow leopards continue to face significant challenges, there is hope. Through continued conservation efforts, increased awareness, and international cooperation, we can ensure that these majestic creatures thrive in their natural habitats for generations to come. Snow leopards are a symbol of the wild beauty of the mountains they call home, and their preservation is essential for maintaining the health of high-altitude ecosystems. From their ancient origins to their remarkable adaptations, snow leopards are truly one of nature's most incredible survivors. The story of the snow leopard is far from over, and with